If you guys are also wants to increase TikTok follower from 0 followers to 10,000 follower within 5 days, then please watch this video till the end, because in this video I will give you one of the best website of 2025 from where you can easily boost your TikTok follower, like, views and everything. Actually, this website provides 3 services. In a small service, you will get 50 to 75 follower in just one click. In medium service, you will get 200 to 250 follower, and in large service, as you can see, you can increase 500 followers to 550 follower, which is 100% free, no hidden charge. Also, as you can see, there is no password required. Your account will be 100% safe, real and active follower, non-drop follower. And if you want free 5,000 follower promotion, please like this video, subscribe this channel, and please drop your username in comment section. So for increasing likes and followers, simply you have to open any browser like Google, Chrome or Safari browser. Simply you have to click on search icon and you have to type here a website name called The Sharp Blog. Simply you have to type here The Sharp Blog. And guys, when you search The Sharp Blog, as you can see, there are lots of articles and websites over here. So what you should have to do is, the first website is thesharpblog.com. Just you have to click on this website. After you click on this website, as you can see, there are lots of articles over here. So what you should have to do is, just you have to click on search icon and simply you have to search article name Famity. Just you have to type FAM fam. And guys, when you search fam, as you can see, there is an article of 10 effective ways to earn money in a student life, and here is an option of Famity. So just you have to click on this article, and after click on this article, simply you have to scroll down a little bit. After scrolling down, as you can see, there is an option of conclusion, and just above there is an option of download button. So just you have to click on this download button. You don't have to download any application. When you click on download button, you have to wait at least 10 to 20 seconds. After that, you will redirect on another website from where you can easily boost your TikTok profile. So this is the website from where you can easily boost TikTok followers and like. So what you should have to do is, just you have to scroll down a little bit. After scrolling down, as you can see some proof also, like as you can see in first there is only 160 follower. After using this website, his follower increases to 2000, more than 2000 follower. So what you should have to do is, just you have to scroll down a little bit. After scrolling down, as you can see, here is an option of get started. So just you have to click on get started. After that, simply you have to scroll down a little bit, and as you can see, here is an option of get TikTok followers now. So simply you have to put your TikTok username on which you want to increase free like, follower and views. So just you have to put your TikTok username, and after that, simply you have to click on get started button. After that, as you can see, here is total 3 service. In first service, which is a small, from here you can easily get 50 to 75 follower. In medium, you will get 200 to 250 follower, and in large, you can increase 500 followers to 550 follower. It is 100% free, no hidden charge, which means you will get real follower, and also there is no password required. 100% safe your account, real and active follower, non-drop follower and natural like from follower. So what you should have to do is, just you have to select a package. From here you can increase likes or follower. Like if you want medium follower, you will go medium follower. If you want large follower, just you have to click on select package option. And guys, after click on select package option, as you can see, here is some verification like install this application and open for 30 seconds. Simply you have to click on open button. After click on open button, you have to download this application on your mobile phone. And after that, simply you have to open this application for 30 seconds. After doing all those things, simply you have to back on this website, and just you have to simply back, and after that you will get all those followers on your TikTok account.